Hey friends, here's my tip for this month on how to help improve your home practice. Incorporate the window meditation. So I learned this about 20 years ago from our teacher Andre Lapa, who learned it from some Tibetan monks. And the way he described it was, imagine you're sitting in front of a window and your hands are like glass cutters and you're cutting through the glass. But you can only cut through the glass with the edges of your hand. So like the little finger edge of your hand or the index finger edge of your hand. You can't push your palm through the glass or the back of your hand through the glass. Also, you can't kind of punch through the glass this way, so there's no need to go forward, back and forth this way. You're cutting through the glass, just up and down or side to side. However, the thing is you want both hands to always be moving and in different patterns. I'll say it again. Both hands are always moving and in different patterns, as opposed to just going side to side, up and down like this repetitively, or opposed to like just one hand moving, the other hand not moving. Both are always moving, always. So the way you do this, or some helpful tips for this are, keep your eyes open and look beyond your hands a little bit so you can see both hands in your peripheral vision, and move slowly. Go nice and slow. Both hands always cutting through the glass, but doing different patterns, going through different patterns as they cut through the glass. Of course, breathe smoothly through your nose. And now to do this, and the reason why it's such a powerful technique is you need to stay completely present. If I start thinking about something else, chances are one hand's gonna stop moving, other hand still moves. Also, you need to use both sides of your brain to make both hands always moving, and again in different patterns. All right, so add this to your practice. I suggest doing it toward the end after you've even done a little maybe alternate nostril breathing to help balance out the left and right hemispheres of your brain. And give it a try and let us know how it works. Hope to see you in class soon.